Handicap26 here, just do tips and repairs and hobbies. Had an accident this morning. My chair broke again, and the wheel on the bottom broke, and I'll show that in the next part of the video. So please rate and subscribe. If you'd like to donate to help me buy a new chair, that'd be nice. And stay tuned for the video. This is what it looks like after a year and a half. Piece of junk. I bought a good rated chair, $300, shot to hell. The see that wheel right there in the bottom? Well, that broke and popped out, and the metal part inside popped out. Could be welded, but I don't have a welder. So I want to show you this. I hope you guys donate to my channel. Do give the thumbs up and everything else so I can buy a new chair. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye for now.